Hi. Just as each cell in our human body is a part of the whole, we human beings are a part of a whole. We're a collective on this planet. We're all connected. We each have a unique role that we play in this unit. And it's been a little bit tough during COVID because we've all become very disconnected. I mean, obviously we had to be disconnected under quarantine, but it feels to me like since the pandemic is sort of dwindling down and people are starting to come out, I still feel there's a lot of disconnection. And I notice with people that I know, they got comfortable staying at home and they like it. And many people had their homes remodeled and they're enjoying that comfort, and it's tough to connect again. But I want to encourage you, because when we work as a whole, as one unit, we are much stronger. So I just want to encourage everyone to reach out to your friends, see how they're doing, check on them every few days. And if you feel isolated or depressed, reach out to your friends and let them know that, or just get together and connect socially. In my community at the Awareness Center, we've all become very disconnected through COVID, I have to admit, and it's been a little bit of a struggle to get us back. But we're starting to come back, and it just feels so nice to be connected again in a community that has a common goal to bring higher consciousness to this planet and good health. So I want to encourage you to try this 40-day exercise. And you can journal about it if you'd like. The exercise is choose somebody that is in your social media that you perhaps follow that does what you do. So you might think of them as a competitor, but I want you to start sharing their posts, start supporting them, start, promoting them to your friends and your social media circle, because you'll see what a difference it makes in your life when you start thinking of them as not a competitor, but as someone with the same wonderful goals that you have and that deserves your support, just like you deserve their support. It's a powerful exercise. So I hope you'll try it for 40 days and journal about it if you like, and please give me some comments and let me know how it went. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.